Hey Maya.
Hi Vivek.
Maya, are you aware of the fact that the way we look right now was not how early humans resembled in appearance?
Is that so?
Yes, it is due to heredity and evolution.
Hi everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Ask Prep. In today's video, we are going to discuss about heredity. Heredity, also called inheritance or biological inheritance, is the passing on of traits from parents to their offspring. Either through asexual reproduction or sexual reproduction, the offspring cells or organisms acquire the genetic information of their parents. Accumulation of variation during reproduction. Inheritance from the previous generation provides both a common basic body design and subtle changes in it for the next generation. Now think about what would happen when this new generation, in its turn, reproduces. The second generation will have differences that they inherit from the first generation, as well as newly created differences. If a single individual reproduces, as happens in asexual reproduction, if one bacterium divides, and then the resultant two bacteria divide again, the four individual bacteria generated would be very similar. There would be only very minor differences between them, generated due to small inaccuracies in DNA copying. However, if sexual reproduction is involved, even greater diversity will be generated, as we will see when we discuss the rules of inheritance. Inherited traits. Inherited traits are the characteristics that we receive from our parents. Inherited traits are controlled by specific genes and are passed on from one generation to another. Rules for the inheritance of traits. Mendel's contributions. The rules for inheritance of such traits in human beings are related to the fact that both the father and the mother contribute practically equal amounts of genetic material to the child. This means that each trait can be influenced by both paternal and maternal DNA. Thus, for each trait there will be two versions in each child. What will, then, the trait seen in the child be? Mendel, see box, worked out the main rules of such inheritance, and it is interesting to look at some of his experiments from more than a century ago. Mendel used a number of contrasting visible characters of garden peas, round wrinkled seeds, tall short plants, white violet flowers and so on. He took pea plants with different characteristics. A tall plant and a short plant produced progeny by crossing them, and calculated the percentages of tall or short progeny. Sex determination. Sex determination in humans is the process by which an individual is genetically determined to be male or female. This is a complex process involving genetic, chromosomal, hormonal, and environmental factors. In humans, sex determination is primarily driven by the chromosomes inherited from parents, but it also encompasses the development of reproductive organs, secondary sexual characteristics, and hormonal influences. Chromosomal basis of sex determination. In humans, sex is determined by the combination of sex chromosomes, which are the X and Y chromosomes. The following chromosomal patterns determine biological sex. XX chromosomes, this combination results in a female. A child inherits one X chromosome from the mother and one X chromosome from the father. XY chromosomes, this combination results in a male. A child inherits one X chromosome from the mother and one Y chromosome from the father. These sex chromosomes are passed on during reproduction. The mother's egg, ovum, always contains an X chromosome, while the father's sperm can carry either an X or a Y chromosome. If the sperm carries an X chromosome, the offspring will be female, XX, and if it carries a Y chromosome, the offspring will be male, XY. Thanks Vivek for such wonderful information.
No worries, Maya.
Thanks for joining us today. We'll continue making these knowledgeable videos for you in future. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and stay safe.